Friends, welcome to the channel of Sand Explorer, and today is the second episode of Magical series. And sorry for the delay, friends. I can't make videos because I'm having exams, and I have now also exams are going, and I have read for the exam and doing video for you.
One eternity later.
Okay, friends, now let's start the trick. And here I take the cards. Here you can see that there are two jokers, and let me make this card deck more so that you can have a clarity on my magic. Okay, I think I shuffled much, and this is enough, I think, friends. And you can have another sneak peek. Okay, friends, now we can see that these two are literally only two jokers. And what will you comment if I tell if I can bring ace between these two jokers? That's insane, right? Please give your opinion in the comments. Will I do or not? Okay, friends, let's try it out. I'm just gonna try with my magical powers. If it passes, I'm good at magic. Okay, friends, I'm keeping this two jokers on the top of the deck and turning them down. Okay, friends, now with my magical powers, I'm just gonna bring ace between them with just one snap. Okay, let's see. I'm just taking the top three cards neatly without messing up, which will give much suspense. Sorry, friends, I'm talking too much, I think. Okay, I'm keeping this deck on your view, and you can see that an ace magically appeared from nowhere into these two jokers. Okay, friends, I'm keeping that ace there. How did it come? IDK, friends. Well, I don't know. Okay, well, we can take. Let us try this magic trick again. Boom. Let's see if we can take or get another ace between them. 1, 2. Well, friends. What? No. Between them, these two jokers, ace didn't appear. Wait, friends, I think we should flip this side. Wow, it really worked. See, friends, there are two jokers between them, another ace appeared. I don't know, friends, this is completely my magic, of course. Okay, friends, another time. Let us try it another time. Okay, friends. I'm taking these two jokers, keeping them on the top of the deck and turning them. Okay. Now let us check if we can get another, that is ace of hearts. Okay, let's try a particular ace. We can get even ace of spade, but let's try ace of hearts. Please, ace of hearts, appear on the top of the deck. Okay. Let's see if my magic has worked. Whoa, that worked, friends. That's actually insane. Really insane, friends. Could you imagine bringing cards between them? I don't know, friends. That's really insane, friends. Really to say. Okay. For last magic trick, I'm just taking two cards, that is the two jokers, and showing you. See, friends, these are only two jokers, and I'm just taking these two jokers and keeping them in this case. Okay, and I'm just covering them with these aces, and as usual, I'm just gonna tell that ace of spade is really powerful because it's in the top of the deck and I mean first card in the deck. Okay, sorry for that blabbering, friends, and let's see if we can get it in that, because I don't need to touch them. I only literally took 2 jokers and kept it in that case. I'm not touching it, friends. Okay, now let's try. Let's see that if we can see an ace of spade. Well, wait, I think we should mix this deck. Okay, now I should make ace of spade disappear from this. Friends, I'm not a Thanos to with 60 infinity stones to make the cards disappear, but that's working, I think so. Wow, without infinity stones I can make cards disappear. That's nice, friends. Oh my god, you must be serious. There is no ace of spade in this deck. You must be kidding me. No, I didn't expect this. Okay, well, friends, can we check in this box? Oh my god, this is serious. I'm just gonna take this. Well, I can see 3 cards. No. Wow, I brought an ace of spade between these 2 jokers which are in this case.